We're back here today, folks. We're going to be changing nishing coils and spark plugs on this 2000 Toyota Tundra V8 4.7 liter. First step, remove connectors from the nishing coil. So we'll get all those off. Then a 10mm bolt to remove the bolt right there as well. So get the connectors off, remove the bolts, and we'll go from there. Okay, we have our first connector off. Nishing coil is out, 10mm. Use the 5/8 spark plug removal tool. See the old one's fouled, getting brown around the base there. Got the new one in. Always make sure never to use power tools when reading plugs, so you can strip out the block. You'll have a hell of a hassle on your hand. You'll have to get a helio coil and drill that out, then put the helio coil in there to get it to work properly. So we'll get this one in and get back to you when we get the nishing coil on and the new spark plug in. Another thing here, you always want to make sure your spark plugs are pre-gapped. These ones are. Double check to make sure yours are too. Here's our new nishing coil. Just want to slide that down in the middle, make sure it makes contact with the new spark plug we installed. Let's see, line up the bolt hole, press down. I think we got it. You want to pull up just to make sure it's firmly on there. So you can see it's not coming up easy when I pull on it, which indicates we made contact with the spark plug with the ignition coil. You just want to tighten it down until you feel it firm up. Right there, it's firm. Give it a little quarter turn. We're good to go. Just installing the spark plug. Just put it down into the center. Just tighten it by hand until you feel it start to firm up. Once you feel it firm up, just go ahead and take your wrench and tighten it on up till you feel it get tight. Then give it about a quarter turn. Should be good to go. Go. We'll go till it tightens. Tight right there. And we'll give it a quarter turn. There we go. That's it. Follow the same process all the way around. So if you're having a hard time removing these tabs, I'm going to give you a little secret. I like to use this tool to press down on the top. Take my screwdriver on the bottom, press the tab, and just pry up. You see it comes right up. Just like that. Make it easy for you. You want to hear the click. As you can see, we have them all in now. Just going to add the 10mm bolts back, tighten down the electrical connections. We're ready to go. That's that.